Hello again. It's the morning after our big snowstorm. I'm headed back out to the hives to clean off the front of the hive, take off some of that precip piled up on the tops of the hives. You can see, barely make out my footprints from yesterday. We've got way more snow to finish out our day, and totals are all over the place. Here we go. You'll notice that I'm wearing more appropriate pants today. Those are my winter Air Force PT pants. Oh my goodness, look at that, that's crazy. Holy cow. I'll try to retrace my steps so it won't be as bad. Woo, happy to report these winter PTs from the Air Force still fit. Not bad for retiring in 2018. Here it is, 2026. Don't ask me about my dress blues, that's just mean. All right, here we go. If I can break it out here. It's pretty cold today too. All right, same thing today. Clean off the snow from the front of the entrances. And this is important today, especially because you can see it's all piled up. The sun is already out. So what you don't want to happen is for this to crust up and turn into ice. That would be very bad. All right, this used to be a shelter. Yeah, it was covering up all of our supplies, but the wind and ice from the ice storm last week pretty much did that in. All right, get out of here. Ooh, looks like I got a job right now. A lot of snow. Today I'm also going to take this off the top because I do not want it to develop condensation inside the hive. Ooh, get out of there. That's a lot of snow. Condensation inside a hive is very bad. Any beekeeper will tell you that a wet bee is a dead bee. We don't want that. Always keep bricks on top of the hives. Makes it harder for potential predators or clumsiness to cause the hive to flip over. We don't have to worry about bears here, not really, because we have I-40 as a natural barrier. Ugh. Goodness, it's hard to walk in this. All right, get this out of here. I should have brought a broom out here. You know, was not thinking. There's our entrance. Last time I wore this South Carolina Gamecocks winter hoodie was during a freak snowstorm in Charleston. I was living in Somerville at the time. 6 inches of snow in Charleston that it almost immediately turned to ice. It was rough. The city was locked down for like a week. Hello to all my friends in South Carolina. This is insane though. I seriously don't think I've seen this much snow for real since I was a young man in Korea in 1994, 95. This is insane. I'm sorry, 95, 96, the wrong years. It is pretty to look at though. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get to work. As you can see, I've got my work cut out for me. Have a good day.